Hello, I would like to introduce you to my extension. Um, when you first refresh the game, after activating the extension, you will see this little helper window, and you will also be able to bring up the extension um, helper tab. In the helper tab, you will have two tabs, city and inventory, and we can go back to these. We will start with the city now. So the city tab will allow you to see your layout and to play with the layout as you see fit. You can also drag to non-explored areas. There is also undo, redo functionality, Control Z, Control Y. You have color codes on the building similar to the in-game colors, with one exception. The blue colors are buildings that don't need road connection to the main hall and can be moved to some location where you store your culture buildings. For example, this is the you hover, you will see a tooltip. This is the Frozen Father Tree, which is a purely cultural building. So it's colored blue. So here you can experiment with layouts. You can also search for buildings. So if you say, for example, if I don't remember where my Solunar Nexus, for example, is, I can type Solunar, and it will highlight the building for me. I can instantly know where it is. I want to see all my phoenixes. I can type in Phoenix, and I see the phoenixes. Same with bear and everything else. Um, what else can be done in the city view? Oh, yes. Let's say you want to rearrange your city and you want to do it also in the game. So you want to play with the layout, but then you want to implement it in the game once it's done. So every time you move a building, every time you move something, you will see it added in the log of the movements. And after you've finished, so this is just a random movement, you can look at the movement log, and you can repeat the steps one by one uh, in game to be able to reach your final result. Of course, this is you have to do it manually. The extension will not do it for you. Can't at the moment. Now, if you want to have it more convenient and not have to move every street, you can spell the streets. It will remove them. This is not undoable yet. Um, okay, let's go to the inventory view. In the inventory view, you see all your inventory. By the way, yes, all your inventory, and you can filter by buildings. This is the most interesting part. And in the buildings, you can see them. You can see some nice properties. For example, um, how much, how many combining catalysts or royal restorations you will get by selling the building. You can sort by this, and you can see that, for example, I have quite a few buildings which will give royal restorations. If I want a quick 3 RR, I can like build an early chapter building from my inventory, like a Pilgrim's Manor, and get 2 RR or Cradle Seed or whatever. Also, if you are collecting rewards from an event or a quest, and you didn't pay attention to what you collected, if you sort by changed at, you will see the most recent items added to your inventory first. So you can see exactly what you've gained like in the past minute or half an hour or whatever. This is the buildings. You can also see items, but the names are still like the code names of the game, so I'm not going to work on it for now. Maybe later. Tomes as well, but the buildings is really what matters. And you can also search here, uh, whatever, any keyword. Um, Now let's go back to the game, to the little helper window. What's this about? Uh, if you open it, this is mainly for trades at the moment. So if I open the trader and I go to the trades, it will automatically tell me if there are ascended trades that offer my non-boosted goods or boosted goods. So if I, for example, I see primordial minerals here. If I search for who offers, I can see there are many offers for my boosted sprouts. I'll go to the ingots, and yes, also for boosted goods. Um, Now, if I refresh the trades, if there are no relevant trades, it will disappear. I can do it as many times as I want. Whenever a good trade will appear, it will show in this little helper window. So that's it for now. Many features to come. Stay posted.